What's up, YouTube? We're back. Another video, another part, adding to the G80 M3. As you can see, it's right behind me. Again, this is the big baller build series I have going on right now. Please check out the previous videos where I installed the front lip, carbon fiber front lip. It's my third one now, so I'm going for the high score. Also check out the video where I installed the RK titanium intakes, strut bars, the engine bay deal. Did some canards. Check that video out. Short video. I like the way they look. So now we're going to continue with more carbon fiber, again from the boys over at RW Carbon. Great company to work with. And you know, their parts are just top notch. So far it's been 10 out of 10 on everything that I've installed. So today we're going to do the big boy. Yeah. The hood, RW carbon fiber hood. Yeah, it's going to be interesting. So it's going to be a quick cameo with my girl. She's going to come help me, hold this thing down so I can, get it off and move it. Shouldn't be too bad of an install. All of the wires and the hoses for like the washer fluid is actually in the windshield wiper. So essentially it should just be 4 bolts, and then I have to take off the latch hardware and should be it. Hopefully it lines up pretty good and it doesn't take much adjustment, and we'll be on our way. So without further ado, let's go check out the hood. All right, so this is the RW carbon fiber hood I have here. It is very dirty right now. I will not clean it until I install it, and then I'll do a wipe down and polish it out, throw some ceramic coating on there and call it good. So yeah, this is it. Love these, the vents, mesh in there, so that's great. It's carbon underneath as well, as you can see, kinda, maybe, but yeah, you'll see it when I install it. So yeah, stay tuned. Should be interesting. Let's get it. Day 2, got the hood on, kind of mocked up. I got to make some adjustments, so I'm going to adjust this fender because it's really tight there. A little bit of gap here. I'm going to close up by moving the bumper up just a smidge, and then big gap here, so I have to adjust that fender here. Height wise, probably got to bring it down just a little bit, so try to adjust those hinges, but I'm gonna get the fenders straight first before I do that. But so far so good. I'll open it up so you guys can see. Carbon on both sides. It's not as It's a little flimsy. So the hardware that was provided, it just wasn't the best. So I might switch out these bolts. I'm not sure yet, or at least get some bigger washers to go there. It's kind of to match the stock setup. But these bolts go in, so they go in, whereas the stock bolts stick out, and then there's nuts that you screw on. So a little bit different, but you know, it's all good. So these here, you know, you have to kind of play with the hinges so you can adjust. So right brings it up, down, and then to the left raises these hinges back into it. So you just have to adjust that so that it latches on to the hinge down here. Keep that in mind. And yeah, so that's, you know, pretty much it for the most part. Just kind of playing with everything. So I have to get here and, you know, unloosen that and work on these fenders or whatever, but take all that off and work on the bumper. And yeah, that should be it. So I will go ahead and knock that out now and bring you guys back in when it's done. Alright, I'm getting there. I think this side is pretty good. Front, it's a lot more flush. Still gotta work on this side here. And I might try to close this up just a little bit more. Yeah, just a little bit more. But yeah, I got the height pretty much about as good as it's gonna go. Yep. So yeah, I think once I get this here done, then it should be good. So let's open it back up. I'll show you guys the adjustment points. Alright, so it's pretty much 10 mil. Get past this windshield washer fluid stuff. Is that 10 mil, that 10 mil. There's also one up here as well. So yeah, just loosen those up and just try to lean up against the bumper here, and you know, add some, so you can kind of see how much I moved it. So I'm just gonna get a little bit more of this exposed, and I think it should be good. It's a good gauge to, you know, kind of tell how much you're moving it by. And then yeah, so I moved this as much as I could. Might be able to get a little bit more here, because this one is pretty exposed here. So just gotta keep toying with it, and you know, once you know how to do it, it's actually kind of like, it's kind of fun, you know, it's kind of like a task. It's not too frustrating, and it's not 98 degrees out here because it's like 8 in the morning. So yep, let's get that done and we'll be right back. Alright, after those adjustments, I think we're pretty solid. This isn't too big of a gap. I don't think I can move it up any further, honestly. I got this up, so that's good now. And so yeah, it's looking pretty solid up front. This is good on this side. Bring it out. As you can see. Yep. That's pretty much it. I'm done. I'm gonna clean this damn thing. Get it wiped down. I'll probably polish it a little later. Put some ceramic coating on there. But yeah, let me know what you think, man. I like it. I think it adds the aggressiveness up front, especially with the canards and the new lip and the intakes, you know, showing out of the front grille. I think it's pretty fucking dope, not gonna lie, you know. But yeah, not hard of an install. You just have to take your time. I did have to re-drill or drill out more of one of the holes for the hinges, where the hinges go. not a big deal. You know, just, you know, you're dealing with carbon, you're dealing with those fibers, so you just make sure you got to wear the right, you know, long sleeve shirts and gloves, because those fibers can get itchy. But yeah, that wasn't too bad. Just did that and got everything lined up. So yeah, I'm tired as hell. And let me know what you think in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you like it. If you don't like it, should I paint it? Should I leave it exposed? I think I'm gonna leave it exposed just because of the contrast with the satin PPF. I think it looks pretty good. If it was a lighter color car, I would have painted, but I think I'm gonna leave it exposed for now. Because remember, if I do paint it, I gotta PPF that, blah 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 blah. So it does add up. And this is an inexpensive piece. So yeah, again, RW Carbon, appreciate the parts, the support, the love. You guys are great customer service, great products, and I can't wait to install more from you guys. Wink wink, there is more. So that's it for now, guys. Take it easy and stay golden. Nah, oh my god, yeah, I gotta come up with a slogan, something, I don't know. Keep it OEM plus. Let's try that one. Peace.